Welcome to ManageEngine's Affiliate Program webinar. So before we get started, I'd just like to ask if I'm audible and if you're able to see the presentation on your screen. Please confirm by messaging us or leaving a thumbs up in the chat panel. You'll be able to see a chat panel. Please drop your messages here. All right, I see a few confirmations. So let's get started. I am Rebecca D'Souza. I am the Market Development Lead at ManageEngine. And today I will be the presenter. We're going to look at what the affiliate program is all about. We are going to look at what ManageEngine is all about. We are also going to look at some real use cases. We're going to see what's in it for you, the affiliate, how you can maximize, how much commission you can earn from this, and how much potential this program has. We're going to look at all of that. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty details, that is the technical part as to how the unique link will be generated, how many unique visits you're getting, how are we tracking that, where in the dashboard can you see all of this, how are we going to make sure the cookies are tracked and you get your payments done on time. We're going to look at all of that. And after that, if you stick around, you will get to hear the question answer session wherein we'll be taking questions from the newly onboarded affiliates as well as the seasoned ones so that we'll be able to answer all your questions by our very own experts here, the panelists. And based on that, I hope you will have a successful and fruitful time of learning. And in the long run, you'll be able to earn huge commissions from this program. So let's get started. So let's look at what the ManageEngine affiliate program is all about. The ManageEngine affiliate program helps content publishers, IT consultants, bloggers of various kinds, maybe thought leaders on LinkedIn and other platforms, monetize their traffic. The solutions can be used across various verticals of IT management, such as Active Directory, IT operations management, applications monitoring, endpoint management, analytics, and service desk management. What you would be doing when you join this program would be joining with hundreds of content publishers, LinkedIn thought leaders, and other affiliates that are benefiting from the ManageEngine affiliate program already and being their own boss. Ideally, an affiliate is someone with a deep network, either through their blogs, websites, their professional network, or their industry. The role is to soft promote ManageEngine products into their network and let the customer do the heavy lifting when it comes to exploring the product, evaluation, purchase, etc. There are also certain guidelines that need to be understood by the affiliate before signing up for the program and to benefit from the program in the long run and earn huge commissions. As an affiliate, you would be required to generate your own unique referral link to share with your network. When someone makes a purchase using that link, you can earn a commission on that sale. Now let's look at where these links can be embedded. They could be added in ads. You could share them by word of mouth on your social media platforms. You could also share it via emails. You could share it in the form of reviews of products in various languages that you would like to publish those reviews in. You could also make detailed reviews of the product in the form of videos or even blogs, so on and so forth. You could also embed these links in newsletters. As long as they're reaching your targeted audience and the audience is doing the heavy lifting in terms of evaluation and purchase, we are good to go. All right, now that we've defined what the program is all about, let's look at what ManageEngine is all about. ManageEngine is the IT management division of Zoho Corporation. It's an enterprise IT management division of Zoho Corporation, established and emerging enterprises, including 9 out of 10 Fortune 100 organizations, rely on ManageEngine's real-time IT management tools to ensure optimal performance of their IT infrastructure, including networks, servers, applications, and endpoints. ManageEngine has offices worldwide, including the United States, the United Arab Emirates, the Netherlands, India, Colombia, Mexico, Brazil, Singapore, Japan, China, Australia, as well as 200 plus global partners to help organizations tightly align their business and IT. Let's also briefly look at all the solutions that we offer. ManageEngine has a plethora of IT software, so I'm just going to give you a gist of what we do. We have identity and access management, which essentially helps you manage, govern, and secure digital identities and give you privileged access management. We also have the unified service management, which helps you design, automate, and deliver and manage IT and business services end to end. We have unified endpoint management and security, which is essentially about managing and securing your desktops, servers, laptops, mobile devices even, and web browsers. We have the IT operations suite, which helps you manage and monitor your network, servers, applications, storages, firewalls, so on and so forth. We have security information and event management, which helps you secure your network from cyber attacks and ensure compliance. We have advanced IT analytics, which helps you visualize IT data and gain actionable insights into IT operations. We also have low-code apps, which help you develop and build powerful custom applications and launch them on premises. We have cloud solution that helps you scale your IT to support multi-cloud and hybrid infrastructure. We have remote management solutions that help you assist your distributed workforce to function as they should. We have cybersecurity solutions that help you protect your organization from internal, external cyber attacks, so on and so forth. We also have an employee experience solution that helps you deliver exceptional employee experience for your distributed workforce, and zero trust solutions that help you implement a robust, hybrid, work-ready security framework. Now that's a vast list of products, am I right? Well, you don't have to get into the nitty-gritty details. Like we mentioned earlier, leave the option to the customer to do the heavy lifting on which solution fits their enterprise or small medium business requirement, and let them find the right fit and let them pick and choose from the variety of solutions that ManageEngine does offer. Now let's look at what you as an affiliate get from the program and why is this program unique and beneficial to you. Now, ManageEngine products are the highest revenue generating products of Zoho Corp. So what that means for you is the higher the revenue, the higher the commissions. So essentially, we would be paying a minimum of $100 guaranteed, and we also offer an unlimited earning potential of 7% for every customer conversion. So these are the offerings, and it is very crystal clear on how you can start onboarding from this. First of all, you need to be able to earn a commission. So earn a commission for every valid referral that converts your unique affiliate link. If it has converted from your unique affiliate link, you will surely earn a commission for it. You get a 15-day cookie tracking period and a 180-day conversion window from the time the lead has entered. You would be getting a dedicated affiliate manager and support, also hassle-free payouts. Thank you to our very own Zoho Thrive tool that has a brilliant, clear, easy to understand dashboard where you can view your earnings, you can view your unique visits to the site, you can view the links generated, so on and so forth. I'll be showing you shortly how you can do that in the dashboard. So let's also look at how other affiliates like you have already benefited from the program. So maybe that will motivate you to get on board and start making your commissions quicker. So this is the sentiment shared by GeekFlair, one of our long-standing affiliates. For over 2 years, they have been with us. ManageEngine is one of the most trusted IT management software solutions to endorse. The good thing about ManageEngine is that it is popular and loved by thousands of customers globally, making it easy for the partner to talk about. So let's look at an example. Here you see in the GeekFlare website, there are a ton of articles that they have. Let's look at this particular article. In this blog, you see among the various listed blogs, we have a ManageEngine listing. Once we click on that, we're able to see that it has a tracking code. And through this tracking code, GeekFlare is able to track what traffic comes from their website into our websites. And based on that, we're able to track the performance and also figure out the revenue and the commission of the program that is due to them. So once you go to ManageEngine.com, in their website, you'll be able to find the affiliate program. Here you can click on Join the Program. You have some FAQs and also information on how the program works. Enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, your country, your organization type, whether it's a business, whether you're a freelancer, so on and so forth. Once you will be able to do that, also add your website, accept the terms and conditions. CAPTCHA needs to be entered. Once you've registered, you would be receiving an email from our end. Let's go and see what that would look like. You would get an email like this, which is an invitation to the affiliate portal by ManageEngine. You will also have the login link in the very same mail along with the button. Here you can set a password for your ManageEngine affiliate program login. There's also information about your visits, signups, customers. There's also information about your commissions, your paid commissions, pending commissions, and on hold. You will also be able to see a how-to tutorial as well as access to marketing collaterals. So in the home page, we have a collateral repository link. This is a password protected drive link where you'll be able to just copy paste the password and log in. We've made this for your simplicity and also to ensure some sort of data privacy. You'll be able to see the files that are in it. We have a folder for banners where you'll be able to see banners for each of the products. You could straight away download them from here. They're either in GIF format or PNG. You could download them from here, embed them or upload them into your site and add the unique referral code along with the Thrive ID to that, and you'll be able to promote the products in the form of banners. There is also other resources such as infographics, ebooks, brochures, all of which is available at your disposal, and you could promote the products using these as well. Now let's go to links. Here in links, what you're able to see is there are some predefined links and some generated links. This is the default link that you would have for your account, which is unique to your affiliate ID. You'll be able to directly share them on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You could also have some predefined links depending on the product you want to promote or a particular training. You could click on any of that. For example, in this case, let us select Network Configuration Management Software. Here you can enter a unique campaign name and generate link. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a generated link with your unique campaign name over here. You could also have a particular page of a particular product. Let's add it over here and generate a unique campaign name again. Once that is generated, I click on Generate Link. And you can see that it's added to the generated links. Now I'm going to copy this link I generated and see. I'm going to put that in a new guest tab. You can see the Thrive ID here. Once you click on download, you will be able to see the download page. Now let's imagine that a prospect or an evaluator that came from your site to the ManageEngine site enters this form and enrolls for a 30-day free trial. Say Peter Presco is going to be enrolling for this. And he proceeds to download the product. Now let's see if this particular sign up is mapped to your Thrive account or not. Now here you can see that one visit has been shown under that link, so you know that your visits are properly being tracked. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page again. And now you can see that the sign up that was done by Peter Presco is also been documented here. So the sign up has been validated by Thrive and that is mapped to your particular affiliate account. Here you can see the email address. Of course, we're all about privacy, so it's going to be hidden. You can see the campaign name. You can see the date range in which the sign up happened. You'll be able to see which link they came from. So you'll exactly be able to know what is going on with your affiliate account and your affiliate links right from here. Now let's look at the commissions. In the commissions tab, we have paid, pending, and on hold, and all the paid payments will be seen under the paid commissions tab. You'll be able to see if any pending payments are there from our end. You'll also be able to see if we've processed all your payments. That's it for today. Thank you for joining the program. You've been a great audience. I hope this session was useful for you. Please fill out the survey and provide your rating for this presentation as well as for the presenter between the scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest, so that we can do better next time and provide whatever information you would need and take your suggestions and improvise on this. Thank you.